Good evening to all. I welcome you all on this grand event conducted by Bharat Worsh. On this pleasant evening, we all are gathered here for the result announcement of Bharat Russian Quiz Competition 2021 conducted by Bharat Worsh. At first, I will give you a short glance about Bharat Worsh for our new family members. So, Bharat Worsh is an initiative to promote our culture and heritage of our great motherland, India. And in this evening, we are proudly announcing the winners of our Bharat Russian Quiz Competition 2021.
Good evening all. I am Anjali Ajay, one of the coordinator of Bharat Vash. I humbly invite our beloved chairperson Mrs. Girija Devi ma'am to announce the result of Bharat Darshan Quiz competition.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you safe at home. I can see many contestants are here waiting for the results of Bharat Darshan Quiz competition. The prizes are amazing and exciting. The first prize is Amazon Kindle Bucks rupees 17,000. The second prize is Panasonic tablet rupees 11,000. The third prize is smartwatch rupees 6,000. The top 10 winners get consolation prizes, momentum and certificates. Now I am proudly announce the prize winners. The first place goes to Apurva Chaudhary, 47 Hillmarton Road, London. The second place goes to Abhiram Deshpande, Hyderabad. The third place goes to Sabar Ali, Paschim Bihar, Delhi. The top 10 winners are Mayukha Das, Chennai, Devananda Nath, Kerala, Vijika Bora, Assam, Rajkumar Sharma, Madhya Pradesh, Tulsi Meti, West Bengal, Ratnaja Verma, Abu Dhabi, Smita Singh, Haryana, Arvind Premchand, Shirali Ranwal, Madhya Pradesh, Ronita Daji, Maharashtra. Thank you all. I congratulate all winners and convey my regards to your participation and full support. I thank you, especially our beloved coordinators. Tuba, please share your opinion about this program and the prizes.
My opinion about this program is this program is very nice. It is good to conduct such quizzes because it motivates students. More and more students will be motivated to participate in the quiz and get amazing prizes by Bharat Vash. I'm very proud to say that I'm a coordinator of Bharat Vash. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tuba. Aditya?
It's a good, very good quiz organized by the team Bharat Vash. Such steps is the only foundation which lead our country to such great future. And this quiz helps the young talents to show up in front of many people, come up in front of many people and show their talents, and we get to know about them and appreciate them with the prizes. And the prizes are so amazing that they also get motivated to participate in such quizzes, and they work hard and improve their levels in the study. And obviously we are only helping the child and citizens of India to flourish, and this is a very great step and I appreciate such steps, and thank you.
Okay, thank you. Abhinanda?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm happy and proud to be a part of Bharat Vash because you are for conducting a lot of programs to encourage our students. And the students are getting a great opportunity to export their talents and all, and they're also getting exciting prizes from you. I'm very happy to be part of the
Thank you. Sai Prasad, please. Okay.
Ma'am, I am very glad to give my some suggestions for or some benefits of this program. Ma'am, in this program, we can know our India with very general knowledges, and we also know some history, geography, civics of our India. Like now, this was of the history of our Indian culture, and so in this, someone will know, someone will not know the answers. But if we do the quiz, then we will improve our knowledges, our activities, and we will also have our confidence of this type of questions that we can face in the future. And this is our first step of our success.
Okay, we will discuss it with the upcoming programs. We will discuss with our coordinators, and special thanks to our coordinators. Thank you all. We will meet again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.